Does he need to be right? Probably. We're here. It's nice. You okay? It's cold. Stop. Nice cold water.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's a hot day and here we are in the river. Last week we were on the beach. Now we're in the river. Yo yo. I better come and join you.
I haven't got my reading glasses on, so.
Oh.
Wow!
Uh-huh. Yeah, jump in, baby.
Sit down.
No, don't sit down, it's cold. You'll freeze.
5 years later.
Hi guys. Crystal Cascades. This is favorite cooling down spot. I don't know, we've probably done vlogs here before. But yeah, beautiful spot, only maybe 25 minutes from where we live. And anywhere in Cairns, you're only 20 minutes away from a beautiful sandy beach or a clear mountain stream in the rainforest. It's really hard life living in Cairns in the far north, but
Wow!
we manage. So I'll give you a quick look. That's where we parked the car, up there. Down further's a deeper water hole. A lot of people go down there to swim with their dogs. A bit of a dog swimming hole down there, so that's why we like to stay up here. And yeah, it's nice and quiet up the other end there. There's up further is where the public area is. This sort of really isn't a car park or public area here. So this is just sort of secret spot that locals park on the side of the road and come into spots here where there's nobody. So it's yeah, you've got it all to yourself. But the water's beautiful. Coming on summer, so you know. So yeah, we're going to have lunch here. Ling made some sushi. So we've got some nice sushi. Yummy yummy. Made some coffee, put it in a thermos. We'll have coffee and sushi. Yummy. Ayo. Very good. Very good.
We're gonna have lunch. Gonna have sushi. And Brian made a coffee. Gonna have coffee.
Thank you for making sushi.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't know how hot it is.
Oh, it's hot. Nice brewed coffee. Put it there. Oh, that's a very big one. Got sushi. Is what we always like to do after work or during my day off. We come here. Wasn't it, Brian? And then Brian set up the hammock just behind him. Those trees there. It's okay?
Right. Yeah.
She's always a woman to me. You know the song?
Oh, she takes care of herself. She can get what she wants. She's ahead of her time. Whoa!
Wait, I'm gonna get copyright.
Blah 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 blah.
We have to go. Is it safe? We have to go. We gotta go and pick up Madam from school. We're here in Crystal Cascade. Not actually where the car park is. Just before the car park, there's a river stream you can see alongside the road. It's better. It's better to go there than coming here. See? Welcome to Crystal Cascade. Am I filming? Oh yeah, I'm filming. Wow, that's a lot of people here. Wait, lower down, Papa. That's where Crystal Cascade, what do you call this? Waterfalls. So you go there and go for a swim and yeah, enjoy the weather here in Cairns. They say it's very hot here, but it's not really. Well, not for me because I'm from the Philippines, of course. I'm used to the heat.